Right.
Yeah, she's allergic. No, I'm allergic to myself because I'm allergic to water.
Okay, you have a piece now, definitely. You good? We've been trying to make this thing rock for like this whole time.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, can you guys get out, please, so we can go? Come on.
Wow, like my thigh.
Get up.
Hey, son. What you doing? What you doing?
I can't answer yet.
Why you can't answer that? Why can't you not answer that? Tell me.
Is it good for you?
Tell me. You doing Instagram? Tell you, I'm trying to do this. So you wanted to be a YouTube star, now you want to be an Instagram star? Do you still want to be a YouTube star? But do you want to be a YouTube star? That's it. Normally it's kids bothering the parents. Here it's the parents bothering the kids.
It's so weird.
Yeah.